Alright, you guys ready?
Yes, sir. You ready?
Okay, here we go.
Adriana, I am a little nervous right now. I'm not gonna lie. We're in Alaska. Today, we're finally becoming one. You are becoming my wife.
Marlon, I never would have thought that anything would come out of that first dance we had back at the Grand in 2007. I always said that smirky smile you gave off, that I still hate, wasn't gonna catch me. But 14 years later, 2 beautiful kids, look at where we stand. If having you as a partner has been a blessing, now seeing you be a father to our children confirms how lucky we are to have you in our lives. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, and always, I promise to love you.
It's crazy how lucky I am that I get to marry a beautiful, intelligent, driven woman. You are the love of my life. You have given me the 2 most beautiful gifts ever. Ailani and Donovan. And for that, I thank you. Now let's continue on this journey called life and grow old together. I love you.
We are here to support this commitment of love and to share the joys as they choose to spend their lives together. Your marriage will be a lifelong promise to love, respect, and trust and honor each other through the good, the bad, and the unexpected. This union represents your commitment to support one another as individual beings, but to share your joys, sorrows, and dreams as one. You're creating a new home where love, trust, and loyalty are the foundations no matter what the future throws your way.
I promise to remain the man you fell in love with. I promise to continue loving you unconditionally.
Marlon, do you take Adriana to be your wife?
I do.
Adriana, do you take Marlon to be your husband?
I do.
Having pledged your love and promise to one another today at this beautiful location by the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. all the good love when we're all alone.